Where does Python Sys.path look for modules? Imagine you're trying to find a book in a library. You might check the shelves first, then ask the librarian, and finally look in a special storage room. Python does something similar when it searches for modules. When you import a module in Python, the interpreter follows a specific order to locate it. First, Python checks if the module is one of its built-in modules. These are modules that come with Python itself and are always available without any extra work. Think of these as the books already on the library shelves. If Python doesn't find the module among these, it then looks through a list of directories stored in a special variable called Sys.path. This list is like a map of all the places Python searches for modules. The first directory in Sys.path is usually the current folder where your script is running from. So if you have a module with the same name as a built-in one in your current folder, Python will pick your local version. Next, Python checks directories specified by an environment variable called PYTHONPATH. This is a way for you to tell Python about extra places to look for modules. For example, if you have custom modules stored in a folder outside your project, you can add that folder to PythonPath. Python also looks in standard locations like the site packages folder. This is where modules installed with pip, Python's package installer, are stored. If you want Python to find modules in other places, you can add those directories to Sys.path during your script's execution. You can do this by appending new paths to Sys.path, which is a list of directories. This is handy if you have modules stored in unusual locations or if you're working on a project with specific folder structures. Understanding where Python looks for modules helps you avoid conflicts, like when a local module has the same name as a standard library module. It also helps you organize your projects better by controlling how and where Python finds your code. For example, if you create a module called math, Py in your folder, Python will use this instead of the built-in math module when you import math. This can cause bugs if you're not careful. By managing Sys.path properly, you can make sure Python uses the right modules and keeps your code running smoothly. So, next time you're importing modules, remember that Python's search process is like a well-organized library search, checking built-in options first, then your local folders, environment variables, and finally standard locations. This process makes sure you get the right module every time.